I'm Seher Abdul Hafiz from 10th standard of Probels High School. I want to become a successful dentist. I would like to ask them which colleges I should get into to have good preparations for becoming a successful dentist, and which courses, like what extra things I should be doing for it. I would like to ask them the cutoff percent also.
What I find really interesting is that nowadays students are really very focused. As what we heard Saibul, like she wants to know which college she should enter because she's actually sure that she wants to take up dentist as a career. Right. So what can we have from you?
For her, she needs to, after class 12, she needs to take the AIPTT, that is the All India Pre-Dental Test, to enter the BDS course, that's the Bachelor in Dental Surgery. She can do it from Government Dental College or Narayan Dental College or even Geetam Dental College, which are based here. But getting into dentistry, she should remember one thing, that her hand motor dexterity has to be good. She has to have a lot of stamina and patience. Why do I say this? Is a dentist job is a standing job. He cannot be sitting and treating people. So recently we did a seminar where we spoke about professions and the kind of health related issues that they undergo. We figured out a lot of dentists also said that they need to have strong legs because they need to stand on for a very long time. So she should even start.
And I feel a strong back as well because they're constantly
Yes.
bending and working on patience.
Very strong visual memory also. The hand motor coordination has to be perfect because you're working with somebody's tooth and fine things there. So it's essential that she even starts developing these particular areas.
Okay, and as she wanted to ask that what are the extra things she should have and the cutoff percentage marks required for it?
Okay, I'd like to take this opportunity to mention some concept about cutoff marks. A lot of students are always interested in to know what is the cutoff mark. For example, if an entrance exam is say out of 200, in that particular year, the top ranker has got 198. So actually the cutoff is 98 and is going to be higher. Sure. The following year, the students have not fared well and the highest mark of the student has got to say around 140. So that becomes the cutoff mark. So it's very difficult to identify and generalize or even forecast that this year the cutoffs are going to be in a particular manner since she is going to go through the process of entrance exam. So everything based on the scores that she scored on the entrance exam is going to determine her entry to the required college.
All right.